and daddies, tito, tita, ninong, and ninang, December is coming na! Months, malapit na po. And if you are looking for a budget Christmas gift for your young filmmaker slash video editor, here is the big deal for you. Now, let me present to you my 2019 Christmas gift budget PC. Coming! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please do click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and always remember, Rubeinspired! First up, our CPU. We have Intel Core i7 8700 processor with our Asus Prime H310M motherboard, 8GB RAM, WD 2TB hard drive, 19.5 inches LED monitor, GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, 4GB video card, 512GB M2 SSD card, complete with licensed operating system and UPS with AVR. So this only costs us subong for a very exciting and updating of our computer and filming and vlogging technicalities in life. Yeah, mag-upgrade na tayo ngayon ng ating PC for editing para mas fast yung ginagawa natin every day, every week na mga vlogs. Yes, umikot ako sa buong Iloilo sa mga computer shops and eventually ngayon naka-decide na ako kung saan ako bibili ng aking PC. So, pasok siya sa budget and customer-friendly, good, super duper, pati ang mga post services. Kung diin manini, may idea na ka mo, lantaw nyo akong parking area, medyo madulom, kay ari siya sa sulod. Therefore, parking area niya, may building, good nga, separate, hindi, part actually sang mall, ang parking area, yeah, covered area. So, kung diin manini, I think may idea na ka mo. So, let's get inside! On the 3rd floor. So, may idea na kamo kung diin kami. Kita nyo kagina. May logas ng Days Hotel. So, sa diin ng Days Hotel located? Sa Days? Hindi sa night. Oh, corny. Hindi sa magulang ko, no? There! Nagkita sa 3rd floor! Lapit na lang. Lapit na lang tamadulaan kwarta. For real. Oh, nag-iba yung boses ko, di ba? ganyan eh. Pag gumastos ng malaki, nag-iiba na yung boses. Yun. So tomorrow, hindi, 2 days. Tuesday, we'll be back. She'll be back here on Tuesday to get the unit, and I'll be back on Saturday to check. Ikaw nang yung mag-aayos ng kwarto ko. Nung setup ng buong PC, tapos sa-update ko kayo on Saturday. Ano, probably on Sunday. Sunday na siguro kasi edit ko pa to. And yun! Thank you very much. See you next. No, after this one, 2 seconds after, and you're gonna see my PC. What? Yeah, so you still have around 4 months to prepare for your Christmas gift to your young filmmaker / video editor and vlogger. So what are you waiting for? Titos, titas, ninong, ninang, mama, papa, come on! Thank you very much for watching. Till our next video. Bye-bye!
Yung pinakahapit ka mo sa akong channel, tiyan po niyo hulat niyo. Pindutan ang subscribe button